for the front lights, I have used this one, as you can see. I have made 2 holes here on the left and 2 holes on the right, and the same thing for the rear lights. Now I show you the cables. I purchased this set of cables on AliExpress. These are the front lights, and these are the cables, white and red. And this is how I organized the cables inside the body shell. This is the hub of the cables that I also purchased on AliExpress. And these are self-made contacts that I've made to simplify the switching on and off the lights, simply putting the body shell on the chassis on this magnetic contact that I have already mounted on the chassis. So I can switch on the lights on and off without the need to plug and unplug any cable. Now I show you how. This is the result on the rear lights, here and here, and in the front. Now the lights switch on, simply putting the body on the chassis. As you can see, the lights switch on. Of course, you have to add the blocks here and the rear side of the body shell, but the work is done. Thanks for watching.